Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Open the site on another device and a different browser to see if it's local. Once done, restart your router and your computer to rule out transient network issues. Then clear the browser cache and cookies because stale data often blocks page loads. Finally, check your DNS entries and if needed, switch to a public resolver such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP DNS problems and test again. Now you move into diagnostic checks. Run ping and traceroute to see where packets stop or slow down, because routing issues often cause partial loads. Next, disable VPNs, proxies, and privacy or adblock extensions since they can block resources. Try loading the site with them off. Then flush your DNS cache and renew your IP address. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushdns and ipconfig/renew. Because cached for final remediation, test the site over a different network such as mobile data or a neighbor's Wi-Fi to determine if the ISP is blocking access. If it still fails, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus software to check for local blocking, then re-enable protections immediately. If problems persist, contact the site owner or your ISP and provide specific errors, timestamps, and your traceroute and ping results. That information speeds diagnosis. If nothing helps, use the traceroute as your primary troubleshooting tip to show where failure occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.